in ships that were afraid as their hearts were stout. Over the sea I see them now, borne upon the billowing waves and the whistling wind. Carried upon the mighty swell of hope, hope in the freedom homelands of new lands, that want to be their home and their children forever. Singing the land they sought and found, every little shore that their eyes were set upon. Hill, every hill and mountain that beckoned to them with a green and purple invitation. Every mile of rolling plain that they knew in combat, every river and lake that promised a plentiful living and the fruitfulness of commerce in the heart of God to me. Tumba la casa, 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 ha, 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 ha. Tumba la casa, 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 ha. By the strength of their hearts and hands, by every light of law, human and divine, this land and all the pertinences thereof, the ground and the fertile soil, the sea and lakes and rivers teeming with fish, the forest with their inexhaustible wealth in wildlife and timber, the mountains within the rivers swollen with minerals, the whole of this rich and happy land has been, for centuries without number, the land of my fathers. This land has still been trust from them, and this land will pass it to my children, and so on until the world no more. I am a Filipino, in my grandson, the immortal seed of heroes. Hoo-ha! Hoo-ha! The seed that flowered down the centuries, in deeds of courage and defiance. In my veins, yet pulses the flame of blood, the thread of Lapu, to battle against the heaven foe that broke Jerusalem and the Mohoy into rebellion against the foreign oppressor. The seed is immortal. It is the blessed seed that flowers in the heart of Modelistan. The last morning in Nakumbayan, by the valley of Shad, put an end to all that was mortal seed. Abute, fuego, burn, and let its spirit rest forever. The same that flowered in the heart of Bonifacio, in Malingawa, of Gregorio de Pilar, and Peter Paz, of Antonio Luna, and Salupi, that blooming flowers of frustration in the heart of the field of Pinado, at Palanan, and their workers for royal again in the proud heart of Madrid and Quezon, very all the souls of ancient Malacanang Palace in the symbolic act of possession and spiritual vindication. I am a Filipino, but